Yes. Okay.
Wait here.
Yeah. Ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. You can go.
Now?
Yeah.
Oh, yes, yes.
We got only 2.
Oh, great. Thank you.
Yeah, I buy water for you. Moment.
Oh, okay.
This is the temple area, and this is the palace area, and this is inner court. Inner court. So we are here now. We walk from here, then we go. We go inside, and when we go inside, you can take picture outside view
Yes.
of 3 different buildings because this is the royal temple. In Thailand, as a Buddhist country, we have
Yes.
about 95% of Buddhism, and another 3% of Muslim.
Yes.
So another 2% Christian, Catholic or Hindi. So that is, but we don't care which any religion are you. We can approach each other,
Yes.
be helping and support to each other. Also that is, in Bangkok we have about 3,500 temple, but whole in Thailand 48 temple. But only 1 temple, no monks living here in Thailand. So this temple, because this is the same compound of the Grand Palace. During that time when the kings want to do ceremony, they have to walk through the back gate to make a ceremony inside the temple area.
Where
You
is
can see
the
many architecture.
Right.
This is Ceylonese style from Sri Lanka.
Yeah, what's the name? Emerald Temple?
No, this is the Emerald Buddha
Emerald
temple.
Buddha
Emerald.
temple.
Inside we have the Emerald Buddha image, but this is outside the temple area. So that is, we have 3 different buildings on the same platform. The first one, this is the Golden Stupa. It's Ceylonese style, and this is we call Pramondok. It's typical of Thai art, and this is Thai style and Cambodian architect.
And where is theater? You have theater, right? Traditional show. You have a-
Outside.
Yeah,
That
where-
is, you can go outside. That is not inside the area. We have the tram after we visit the temple and the palace area. We have the tram in front of the gate.
All right.
You show the ticket.
Yes.
And you show the ticket and you go to see free of charge.
Theater.
About 2 o'clock or 3:30. Let's see the charge.
Yeah, today can you see the?
You can use.
yeah.
You can use the ticket.
Yeah,
I show you.
after tour.
Yeah, after the tour.
How long does it take the show?
45 minutes show. But we drive from here only 15 minutes. Drive.
Yes.
See, this is the old picture. So during that time, before the temple and the palace was built, this is the area of Chinese community. And then that is when the kings make decision to build the temple and the palace. He moved all the Chinese people to Chinatown, present
Yes,
time.
now.
Yes. This is in the ancient time, so you see the people, and then you can see their dress. It's much different than the present time now. And also in the past, the kings used elephant that to traveling, no
Yes.
cars at that time. Use
King
the elephant.
and queen.
No, this is not the king. This is the mahout. He bring the elephant to
right.
bathing on the river. And this is the old building.
Just old building.
Yeah.
In Bangkok.
Yeah, that is the palace.
Palace. That's
Yeah.
palace. That's palace.
Yes, the same. But this one, you see, that is the wall. This is very, very old, but now already renovated. This is Thai music instrument.
Thai music.
Yeah.
Traditional Thai music.
Yes, xylophone.
Like xylophone.
Yeah.
So can you play the instrument? You?
I can't.
No?
No.
It's a
Not
special-
many people, they have to practice. They have to study.
Specialist?
That they also have in the school.
All
for
right.
basic
Special school?
Yeah. Or maybe that is temple school.
Temple school?
Free of charge. Now this is the tram go to see go to the theater. But after the
right.
tour.
But you can take the tram,
Yeah,
right?
because this is just the tram bring to the theater. Sala Chalermkrung. Royal Theater. He will like it to see.
Yes.
Because we have this is the actress that is between the monkeys and the giant fighting to each other. Good king and the bad king.
저거 보자 한유라. 저거 봤어? 뭐를 봤어? 저 사원? 책에서 봤어? 이게 제일 유명한 사원이래, 방콕에서. 한유 저거 쇼 볼래? 저거 쇼 재밌대. Are they soldier or guard? Guard.
The royal guard. That is three different architecture on the same platform. We go to see inside.
Okay.
You can buy the ticket from her.
Yes.
อันนี้เด็กคนนี้เสียไหมสูงเกินใช่ไหม
Over.
Two ticket. Two ticket.
Yes.
1,000 baht.
Yes.
500 each. How tall is he?
So 130.
Oh, okay. Over 120. You
Yeah.
want the ticket? You buy you pay her.
Okay. He can be free, no?
No, not free because he's
too
taller
tall.
than taller than 120. โย้ย
Okay. 코쿤카.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
이거 입장가 아니라 500바트.
어디
이렇게 한율이 키 130 이상, 120 이상이라서 어른하고 똑같이 표 받는 거야.
어른 130 안 넘으면 어떡해?
그래도 그러면 안
You
받을
want to
거야.
take picture from here?
오케이.
行，有点跑标，行，让开，人家在拍照。
일로. 한율 일로 올래? We here. 브로셔, 한국말 브로셔 가지고 와. 예, 코리안. 이지. 한번 봐봐. 지도하고. 아, 이거 본 거 같은데? 어?
그 에어컨이 없어.
성이니까.
This is a story that you will see at the theater. This is Ramayana story from India. It's combat fighting between monkeys and giants. And inside this temple, we are in the temple area. So this temple we have altogether 178 rooms.
100?
78. So between the column we call one room.
Big.
Yeah. This one we call one room. So
아,
altogether 178 rooms.
여기서 여기까지가 룸 하나래. 여기서 여기까지를 룸 하나라고 한대. 여기에서
In Thailand, we have two kinds of the temple. The first one, royal temple supported by royal family, and the second one, common temple supported by the people. But you know that is how different between royal and common, because two slab of boundary stone, that is mean royal temple. Two slab, two piece.
아,
That is royal, and whenever you see only one slab, that is common temple.
아.
Easy to see how different.
So in Chiang Mai, it's a normal temple, right?
Yeah, normal.
Yeah.
Most of them
normal.
one.
Only Bangkok
No,
temple?
everywhere.
I mean the
Boundary
royal.
stone everywhere in Thailand. But
everywhere.
in two slab, that is royal
All
temple.
right.
And it's a nice picture if you stand between the guardian.
Emerald.
Yeah.
한유라, 여기 봐.
In this temple, we have 8 gates. So that is in each gate, we have a couple of demon giants to protect the air view.
That's giant, monkey giant?
No. This is giant, not monkey.
Just a giant.
Yeah, just a giant.
Okay.
You go there. Take
왜 이렇게 높지?
지금 더울 때 왔어. it's a female and male.
No, just the same thing.
Just say.
Yeah, same. I take photo for you.
Okay. How many giants here?
16.
16 giants inside?
Eight, yeah, each side 2. So we
Yeah.
have 8 gates.
8 gate and 16 giants.
Yeah, 16. 2 in each gate.
All different color?
가면은
Different.
4개씩.
On different.
어?
4면은 4개씩.
8 게이트에 2명씩 서 있대. 우리나라 들어가면은 왜 누구 서 있지?
And this
우리나라에?
building decorated with the Chinese porcelain.
It's similar
Yeah.
over there.
우리나라 들어가면 혜택이
This is
있잖아.
Angkor
그런
Wat.
것처럼.
This is Angkor Wat from
앙코르와.
Cambodia.
Yes,
Yeah,
앙코르와.
From Cambodia.
Similar. So Cambodian built this one or
Cambodia that is Hinduism.
yes.
2 คนน่ารักนะแม่ลูกน่ารัก2 คนเดินทางมาตั้งแต่มกรานะไปภูเก็ตไปเชียงใหม่ไปเองของแม่ลูกน่ารักเก่งก็ดีนะน่ารัก
이거 앙코르와
Angkor Wat.
캄보디아
Because,
식으로 했대.
Yeah, our Thai people we believe our kings reborn from Hindu god. The tree of the Lord Buddha. Before he enlightenment, he sit under the tree.
이게 무슨 순대? 보리순가?
Yeah, 43.
보리?
We call BODHI Bodhi tree, but in Thai we call Po. Po tree.
I think we say 보리수.
Bodhi tree. That is Bodhi in English.
Really?
Yeah.
보리수나무?
그 부처님이 앉아 계셨던데 아닌가? 불교 나라야.
And this one we call Vihan Yod. Vihan Yod. That is. Sorry, this is Chinese decoration, and this is Thai architecture.
All different.
Yeah, different. You can see.
Is it Emerald Temple here?
Yeah.
Yes.
That we go to see later.
Yeah. And then here palace?
Huh?
Palace. Here is
Palace.
palace.
Yeah. Palace. After temple, and then we walk behind to the palace.
Okay.
In the same area. This beautiful one.
Yeah, different color.
Yeah, different.
It's
One picture of this. Oh, look the bird on top. Oh, beautiful bird.
하늘아, 저 위에 새 앉아 있는 거 보여? 저 위에? 저 위에 새가 앉아 있네. 저 꼭대기에. 저기 새. 꼭대기에 보여?
It's the building for the monks come to chanting once a week.
Monks come here
Yeah, monks come here
once a
chanting
week.
once a week.
Every Sunday?
No, not every Sunday. That is sometime on the lunar day, waxing or waning moon. And that is at the gable we have Indra God on his vehicle, Erawan, 3 heads of elephant,
Luna.
holding the stupa.
트램 타고 영국 보러 갑니다. 혼다이 로열 지역으로 가고 있어요. 댄스 퀴어들 여기서 내려서 가는 겁니다. 내려볼까? 영화관? 영국 보러 들어왔습니다. 마스크 댄스. 극장 앞에 카페에 들어왔습니다. 메뉴가 이렇게 있네. 숨겨져 있는 것 같아?